Pelvic cramps, you want to slap your wrist to slap the pain away. All right, so pelvic cramps, you have a menstrual cycle, right? So this is only for women. So if you have pelvic cramps right here, you're gonna basically do an anatomical position and you're gonna draw a line. Where do you feel the cramps? Draw a line, okay? Draw a line to your, and it usually ends up in your wrist, right? Why is that? Because this area correlates to this pelvic. There are nerves literally in this area that can affect blood circulation to your pelvis. So you're gonna do this, find a tender spot, and when you find a tender spot, don't necessarily slap it. You want to press hard for 10 seconds. 10 seconds, and you should feel that pain start to subside. If you got the right spot, the pain will instantly subside. You can press that every single day on both wrists. It doesn't matter which wrist, right? Why does this work? Because there are nerves here, that are connected to here. Your body's not in separate categories, right? It's all connected. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I came in for menopause symptoms, depression, and lack of sleep. I was unable to sleep through the night. I've been coming here for, about 6 months now, and I feel completely refreshed. I don't feel depressed anymore, and I'm sleeping through the nights. I definitely recommend coming to see Dr. Jimmy.
Can't sleep? Then massage your belly to improve the quality of your sleep. So this is specifically for if you have a hard time sleeping between the time 1 a.m. to 3 a.m., between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. This tells us that you actually have a dysfunction in your liver, right? So how do you fix it? Well, then you have to restore the function to your liver. So one of the ways, one of the techniques, one of the biohacking tips is you can massage your belly. More specifically, you want to find your ribs on your right side, and dig underneath in your ribs. That's where your liver is located. So you want to massage this right before you go to bed. So when you're laying on the bed, you want to start massaging this, okay? It's going to push out all the poop from your liver, right? The problem is your liver's got all this poop stuck in it, and that's why it's dysfunctioning. It's waking you up between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. They found this out 3,000 years ago, right? So just massage all the way under. Do you have problems falling asleep between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m.? Then you want to love on your gallbladder, because that could be the issue, right? So 3,000 years ago, they discovered that the body tends to move blood to your gallbladder between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. So if you have issues, dysfunction in your gallbladder, then that could prevent you from sleeping, right? And so your gallbladder is on the right side of your body. Find your ribs, right? You want to actually find your nipple, right? Because you want to find your nipple if your nipple is straight. If your nipple is all crooked, then don't use this technique. But if your nipple is straight, then you want to find your nipple and you want to draw a line all the way down. And right there under your ribs, here's a nipple. I draw a line all the way down. Underneath the liver is your gallbladder. So you just want to massage underneath as much as you can. That's one technique. Second technique, since your gallbladder is right here, you want to draw a line. Draw a line to your arm. You see, my arm's, the line's right here. Then you want to massage.